Hey everyone, I'm AUTODESK.
And I'm Blake Mitchell, and today we're going to be starting a new series covering trends in technology. Today's video is on content creator devices, specifically their performance, displays, and features that are being announced by our partners, especially on mobile devices. But first, who are content creators?
So content creators can be anyone from PowerPoint gurus to graphic designers, video editors, and all the way up to CG artists in the film industry.
So first, let's talk about performance. For the past several years, CG artists in the film industry have been setting the pace for what is possible by using exclusive technology and server farms to render complicated CG movie scenes.
Yeah, and currently we're actually seeing some of these technologies coming to Windows desktops and mobile devices, thanks to GPU makers such as NVIDIA and AMD. NVIDIA's Quadro and AMD's Radeon Pro cards are specifically designed to optimize workflows of these creative professionals. These new graphics cards allow design and visualization pros to perform tasks faster than ever before.
And the HP ZBook Studio is just one example of many devices that can now be configured with an NVIDIA Quadro graphics card. Quadro cards offer more processing power, more accuracy, and drivers written specifically to boost efficiency for creative workflows like 3D modeling. Not all creators need to step up to a Quadro card though. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo allows users to create and render scenes efficiently with a GeForce 20 series card. Both Quadro and GeForce 20 series RTX cards working in tandem with Microsoft's DirectX 12, delivering ray tracing capabilities that allow for real-time rendering of light and shadow effects that used to take hours to render. But next, let's take a look at displays.
Yeah, so beyond performance, we know that displays are a critical tool for most visual content creators. Previously, to ensure their work comes out exactly as they intended, these content creators would need to purchase expensive, high-resolution, color-calibrated displays in order to create this ultra-vivid content. But now, we're actually beginning to see these kind of benefits arrive in laptops.
And the Acer ConceptD does just that. It has a 4K HDR display providing incredible color depth. The display is a Pantone validated for a less than 2 delta E color accuracy. This is considered a professional level of accuracy, which you would have typically only expected from a high-end standalone monitor now available on mobile devices. But it's also important to consider how a content creator engages with their content. And next, we're going to talk about Windows Ink.
Yeah, as you mentioned, we know how you interact with the device is extremely important. It needs to be natural, and the latest stylus with digital ink features can help provide for that. The new Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 has an optional stylus that detects thousands of points of pressure sensitivity, which means thicker or thinner lines depending on how hard you press. It also has tilt detection, which allows artists to shade as they would on paper or a canvas.
So in summary, these devices are just a few of the ways that Windows devices are being purpose-built for the needs of content creators. Windows devices offer excellent performance options, configurability, user upgradability, and huge selections of brands to choose from. So thanks everyone for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.